Bonjour mes amis. Merry Christmas everyone. Today we are learning French with a little Christmas magic. Un peu de magie de Noël. So let's begin. Santa Claus. Guess what do we call Santa Claus in French? Guess. Père Noël. Père Noël. Star. What do we call star in French? Étoile. Étoile. Christmas tree. What do we call a Christmas tree in French? Guess, guess. Sapin de Noël. This is a snowflake. What do we call a snowflake in French? Try to guess. Flocon de neige. Reindeer. What is reindeer called in French? It is called Rhône. Rhône. Gift or presents. What do we call gifts or presents? Cadeau. Cadeau. What do we call bells in French? Try to guess. Cloche. Cloche. What do we call candle in French? Try to guess. Try to guess. It is called bougie. Bougie. This is an angel. What are angels called in French? Try to guess. They are called ange. Ange. Christmas cookie. What are Christmas cookie called in French? Biscuit de Noël. Biscuit de Noël. Mulled wine. Mulled wine. Vin chaud. Vin chaud. What do we call candy in French? Try to guess. Bonbon. Repeat after me. Bonbon. Church. Église. Église. Christmas carol. What do we call Christmas carol in French? Chant de Noël. Repeat after me. Chant de Noël. This is a Christmas stocking. What is a Christmas stocking called in French? Try to guess it quickly. Chaussette de Noël. Repeat after me. Chaussette de Noël. Snow. What is snow called in French? Try to guess it quickly. It is called neige. Repeat after me again. Neige. Garland. Garland. Guirlande. Repeat after me. Guirlande. This is a Yule log. What is a Yule log called in French? Try to guess it quickly. It is called bûche de Noël. Repeat after me. Bûche de Noël. Family. Family. Famille. Repeat after me again. Famille. Christmas. What is Christmas called in French? Guess it. It is called Fête de Noël. Repeat after me. Fête de Noël. Merci. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir. Bye.